Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and doing a review on iFLYTEK Smart Translator, a compact, powerful tool that breaks language barriers with ease. So if you are a traveler, a student, or someone curious about new tech, this device could be a game changer. We will also touch on how it stacks up against the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder, which we have made a video a few weeks back. But the focus here is on what makes this translator unique and why it might be worth adding to your tech collection. Alright, let's jump right in and unbox this little powerhouse. As we open the box, here's what we find inside: the iFLYTEK Smart Translator, USB-C charging cable, a SIM removal tool, and a handy user guide. The design is sleek and pocket-friendly with a 5.05-inch HD screen that's bright and responsive. At just 130 grams, it's a lightweight and comfortable to carry. It feels well built, making it ideal for everyday use. Once we power it on, we are greeted by a simple, user-friendly interface. This translator supports 60 languages for voice translation and 50 languages for photo translation. Plus, with face-to-face translation, it lets you hold a conversation naturally with translation displayed side by side on the screen. It's perfect for chatting with locals, making new friends, or just navigating everyday conversation while traveling. One standard feature is the photo translation mode. All you need to do is take a picture of the text you want to translate, whether it's a menu, a sign, or instruction in a foreign language. It will overlay the translation directly onto the image for you. Just imagine the convenience when you're trying to translate a restaurant menu overseas. Here is how the translation works. Just select your language pair, press the button and speak. Let's test it with English to Tamil and Tamil to English.
வணக்கம் மக்களே, இன்னைக்கு நான் ஒரு புது டிவைஸ் வந்திருக்கிறேன்.
Hello people, I will have a new device for today.
With over 16 languages supported online and extensive online library, you will always have the language you need at your fingertips, whether you have Wi-Fi or not. There is even a free 2-year global coverage included, providing eSIM connectivity in over 200 countries. Navigating through the settings, you can see it's customizable to your needs. Adjust the screen brightness, choose between male or female voice for translation, and even update the software directly from the device. This device is Android based, but the interface is streamlined, so no extra apps, just the buttons you need. Talking about the battery, it comes with 2000 mAh battery, which keeps it running all day even with heavy use. If you are worried about the battery life during a busy travel day, this device should have covered without needing constant recharging. Now a quick thought on how the iFLYTEK Smart Translator compares to the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder. While both devices focus on high quality audio, the translator is optimized for real-time language translation, whereas the recorder is geared more towards accurately capturing and transcribing audio. So if your main need is language assistant, the translator is a clear choice. But if you're a journalist, student, or anyone who records a lot of video for later review, you might find the recorder more useful. I have done a review video sharing my thoughts on the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder previously. Please do check it out. Talking about the price, the iFLYTEK Smart Translator is a bit pricier than the recorder, but that's because of its advanced AI translation and connectivity features. It's more versatile, especially for travelers or language lovers, making the cost more reasonable if you use these features. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a powerful, easy to use tool to bridge language gaps, the iFLYTEK Smart Translator is definitely worth the investment. With the photo and voice translation, offline mode, and global eSIM connectivity, it's built to be a top travel companion. If you're interested in the iFLYTEK Smart Translator, check out the link in the description. And if you have any question or comment, drop them below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe Bytes for more tech insights and reviews. And as always, I catch you in the next one.